Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. Before starting the video, let me give you some information about Western Union application. The Western Union application is fast, reliable and secure mobile platform for sending money internationally, tracking transfers and managing related financial tasks 24/7. It is available for download on both App Store as well as Google Play Store. It sends money to over 200 countries and territories worldwide. Funds can be delivered in various ways based on the receiver's country. Either it's directly to the bank account, for cash pickup at hundreds or thousands of agent locations often available within minutes, or to a mobile wallet if available in receiver's location. You can pay for your transfer using your credit or debit card directly from your bank account or by starting the transfer in the application and paying in the cash at the agent location. You can easily track the status of your money transfer using the unique money transfer control number, that is MTCN, and receive notifications when the funds are delivered. As one of the most reliable and oldest financial services and communication companies in the world, Western Union provides a wide variety of money transfer options to more than 200 countries. Now, once you open any web browser from your preference, on the search box at the top type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Login option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Western Union's account and tap on Continue. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Western Union's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more videos for your convenience. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next tutorial on these videos. Join the community by subscribing for weekly tutorials like this one. Lastly, if this video has helped you, be sure to give a like and share it with your friend who might also need this information. Thank you so much for watching.